Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you saw from that intro, we are in the ATV market now. So we purchased this pretty used up 2020 Polaris 450. Overall it's pretty scratched up, pretty beat up, but it rides good. We've been riding it around the field here at the house, and got a few things that we got to fix on it. We've got a broken rack here on the back. It's broken on both sides. Yeah. And the big thing is this CV axle. It's popped off. Well, since the price was so much lower than several of the others we found around here, there may be more to this story. So let's get it cleaned up and get all the fluids and filters changed and see what's really going on with this thing. Oh man, look at that.
Is it clean?
Look at that, we got a collection of acorns. The axle issue I talked about earlier, and I did notice this tucked up under here. I noticed when my wife and kids were riding around that this taillight was not working. No big deal, we'll just put a bulb in it. Well, there is no back to that, so that's what this goes to. It gets worse. If you start looking under here, we've got a beautiful stitched up job with zip ties going on. So the fender broke in several places, and they came under here and drilled holes and zip tied it all up. Well, for what we're going to use it for, I don't think it's going to make a huge difference, but it's still disappointing to find, and it is something I wish the guy that sold it to us would have let us know about. Probably for the price, it wouldn't have been a deal breaker, but still, would have been nice to know. Should be good for at least 50 horsepower. I wish. It's been 4 days now since we've owned the old Polaris, and there's a few things I've been worried about, and right now I'm feeling really good about it. The fender being busted up and stitched all up, I was kind of upset about that, I can't lie. But overall, everything runs great. Once I got the axle replaced, I was worried that there may be more to it, but so far it doesn't appear to be that way. We may find out something later the more we ride it. We replaced all the fluids tonight. We went with the oil change kit. We went with the transmission, and the transmission and rear diff are all one piece. So we went with whatever that was called, the recommended oil for that. And then the front diff, it has its own recommended oil, and it is different from the transmission and the rear diff. So I'll post a link to all of those products below and anything else we used. If you guys are curious, if you just bought one, if you want to buy one, you can kind of check the price on what those things cost. If you're new to our channel, we built a cargo trailer conversion just to haul toys, kayaks, and four-wheelers and side-by-sides and whatnot. So check out those videos if you will. I hope in the next video we'll be putting this thing in the trailer to see how it fits, see what kind of room we have behind us. My hope is that we can pull it up into the kitchen and have the entire back left, and we'll probably be able to add at least another four-wheeler and both dirt bikes, and who knows what else, whatever toys we can find for cheap and fix up. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.